Insignia Portable Air Conditioners feature a specialized dry mode that functions primarily as a dehumidifier, designed to tackle humidity without overcooling your space. This mode specifically targets moisture removal, eliminating that uncomfortable sticky feeling caused by high humidity levels while maintaining a relatively stable room temperature. Understanding how dry mode works requires looking at the air conditioning process itself. The unit pulls room air over cold evaporator coils where moisture condenses and gets collected. The process involves four key steps. Air passes over cold evaporator coils, moisture condenses out, the air is then reheated, and finally the drier air is released back into the room. The key difference between dry mode and cooling mode lies in their primary objectives and energy consumption patterns. Dry mode maintains relatively constant temperature while maximizing moisture removal and uses less energy than cooling mode, though more than just running the fan alone. Dry mode operates most effectively within specific temperature ranges and requires proper venting, unlike standalone dehumidifiers. For optimal performance, dry mode works best when room temperature is between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Unlike standalone dehumidifiers, portable air conditioners in dry mode require venting because they exhaust warm air outdoors. Understanding these fundamentals of dry mode operation helps you make informed decisions about when and how to use this energy-efficient dehumidification feature in your Insignia portable air conditioner. Dry mode works best in specific situations and offers several important benefits for your home environment. Dry mode is ideal for humid environments where you want to improve comfort and air quality without intense cooling. It's perfect for those sticky, uncomfortable days when the temperature isn't too high, but the humidity makes everything feel worse. The benefits of dry mode extend beyond just comfort. It helps reduce musty odors, prevents mold and mildew growth, and protects your furniture and electronics from moisture damage. For optimal comfort and to prevent mold growth, aim to maintain indoor relative humidity between 30 and 50%. This range provides the best balance of comfort and health. Insignia portable air conditioners have energy efficiency ratios ranging from 8.5 to 11.0, with dehumidification capacity ranging from 2.1 to 3.8 pints per hour, depending on the model. The energy usage pattern shows how dry mode cycles efficiently, using less power than continuous cooling while maintaining optimal humidity levels. However, dry mode has limitations. It may not provide sufficient cooling in high-temperature conditions, won't reduce humidity effectively in extremely damp environments, and isn't efficient for large spaces. Running it excessively in low-humidity conditions can make a room too dry. Modern units are integrating smart technology and artificial intelligence to optimize dehumidifying performance based on usage patterns and room conditions, making dry mode even more efficient and user-friendly.